In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how I promote products with email marketing. So this is my affiliate dashboard for the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator. This is a private network, and there are many affiliate platforms that you can visit to find products. For example, ClickBank, DSource24, Share a Sale. But I like to promote private networks because when you promote these kind of products, the products are with more quality. There are high quality, and also there is less competition than, for example, promoting a ClickBank product. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use GetResponse to promote this training to my email list. So check this out. So this is my affiliate dashboard. I'm going to scroll down, and here I can find my affiliate links. And I have here many options: the default page, the Freedom Accelerator checkout page, the 72-hour challenge video sales letter checkout page. But what I usually do is that I send traffic to this page, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And if someone put their information here, that person becomes a referral. And then if that person buys in the future, I can make a commission. That is why the system is so powerful, because you you just need to send referrals to this company, and if they buy, you make a commission. Now let me show you. So this is the training, and I'm promoting this course because I know that it has good information to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch. So let me show you. I'm going to scroll down, and here I'm going to access the affiliate JB page. So they have this page in which I can find email swipes that I'm going to use to promote these trainings. I'm going to click here, get the email swipes, and also I'm going to click on tools, on get response, then automation. Here I'm going to click on the 72-hour challenge, this one, and I'm going to use the first email. So basically this company allows to promote the training using this information. I'm going to click on, let me show you this one, Freedom Accelerator. So this is an automation workflow. So basically GetResponse sends these emails automatically to all the people who subscribe to this list, the Freedom Accelerator list. When someone subscribes to this list, GetResponse starts sending these emails, the welcome message and another welcome message with my own story. Then GetResponse wait for 1 day and send the message number 2. So I have 4 emails with free trainings. Then I promote here a YouTube video, how to make money with ClickFunnels, which is a software to build funnels. Then what I do here is that I send the link of another YouTube video to show my email list how I drive traffic to my sales funnel. Then here I promote TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a software that I use for keyword research. And what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to drag and drop a new message, and I'm going to click on create a new message. And this is going to be Freedom 72-hour challenge promo. I'm going to select my email. Then in this subject line, I'm going to use this one: how to start an online business in 72 hours or less. I'm going to copy and paste it here. Then I'm going to design the message. I usually choose blank templates, and this one. I use this template. I'm going to remove the logo. Then I'm going to click on layout, drag and drop the text. And here I'm going to copy this information and paste it here. I'm going to change here and put first name. And that's it, guys. So I have the email. I usually put here this information. Then I like to put my own photo. This one. And the next step is that I'm going to copy my affiliate link. This one. I'm going to copy this one. This is for the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And I'm going to paste it here. Let me check if there is another part here. 72-hour challenge. I'm going to paste my link here, my affiliate link. And that's it. I have ready this email to promote the 72-hour challenge. And then I just need to click on next and save and finish. I'm going to add a new element because, as you can see, this process is simple. You can update your own email sequence to promote as many products as you want. So I'm going to put here 1 day, and this one 360 days, because I'm going to keep updating this email sequence. So I like to use the blue color for the wait command. And here $72 challenge opt-in page. So that's it. Okay, cool. So that's it, guys. As you can see, the process is simple. You just need to, in this case, copy and paste, because this company allows his affiliate to use these email swipes. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to keep updating this automation workflow and add more YouTube videos, more emails without links, because I want to give my email list valuable information so they can start an affiliate marketing business from scratch. So I'm going to save and publish. And then I'm going to show you, this is my GetResponse account, and you can see that I have collected 1,164 emails. Basically, in affiliate marketing, the more emails you collect, the more money you make. And the number of emails that you collect every single day is one of the most important KPIs that you need to track. And if you want to get access the training, the 72-hour challenge, this one, in which you can learn how to start an affiliate marketing business using short form videos and learn how to build this automated sales system or sales funnel. You can use ClickFunnels or System.io. ClickFunnels is a software to build funnels that you need to pay for this one, but System.io, you can use it that for free. So you have two options to build your own automated sales system. And then to unlock day number 3, you need to book a call with your business advisor, and you will have access to the day number 3, in which you'll learn the traffic strategies that you can implement to drive traffic to your system. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and